When the sun's sunny, you can see the gas. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's about right.
Oh my.
The history of this area. If you have any questions, feel free to ask along. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, thank you very much. Watch your step. Take that.
Europe live in this different.
Let me just talk to you right here. That's about 20 to 25. I'm sorry to spoil, but it's only about 10,000. I will not run them.
A guy named when jumping on the surface, he thought
Okay. Now in the past you were allowed to walk out there, but the tour guide got burnt, known as Gabriel. You were storing a group, but while you were standing, the ground broke.
luckily he survived. He healed quickly.
It's boiling.
Does anybody feel so bad in there?
I've got your fluffy.
I guarantee you without any problems, no stress.
No, not necessarily.
Can you see better now?
Any questions, my group? My group, any questions? No questions. So if you continue doing your photo...
The gray, iron and sulfur. Now this water is good for the body, but not in there you bathe. This flows to pools lower down. It's good for mosquito bites, rheumatism, sunburns, stress. But bathing in this water, you will have no friends. The yellow, sulfur, the gray, carbon, the brown, iron. But there are no gold, no diamonds on St. Lucia. It is possible, but it takes a long process.
In the United States.
I think next week, the 7th of March,
Ma bus numéro 41, on écoute la...
Recently we got independence recently, 29th independence. A big celebration back then.